Are you struggling to find a reliable, responsive, proactive metal deck supplier or installer? Look no further. TR60 is specified across the UK. We'll help you keep your construction projects on time and within budget. If you have this profile featured on a drawing specification, please send us the structural GA so we can mark it up and quantify the extent of the deck. Please include any section details regarding the slabs so we can consider any auxiliary products required to ensure the project scope is covered entirely. If you don't have that information, don't worry. Send us what you have and we'll make an educated estimate on information provided and pre-qualify what we've done clearly. We can offer a supply-only, supply and layout drawings for your team to fit themselves, or we can do a supply and fit the deck, trims and studs where applicable, and leave you to mesh and pour concrete, or we can complete that package as well. Just let us know what you'd like us to do when you send us the drawings with your inquiry. Give us a date you need it back by and we will have it back by that date.